Hi there guys, welcome to another YouTube video from Ross Perry Productions. Today I am sitting in a 2019 Kia Cerato and I'm going to show you a really easy video, and I feel a bit bad for making this video because it's that easy. But I'm just going to show you how to update the time and date on the car. So the first thing we're going to do, just turn our ignition on like so, and you'll see that the actual center screen comes on and the time shown just in the middle there. So two ways we can do it. One, you can actually tap on the time itself and it comes up with a setting, or the second way, we can go into the settings down the bottom there. We can go time and date, and then we just can change any of the parameters. We can change it to a 24-hour clock if we want, and also we can tick if there's daylight savings or not. So I'm just going to go ahead and adjust the time. So it currently reads 1:41 p.m. Just going to change that to 12:41 p.m. and as soon as I hit back, it actually updates the time in the middle there. So there we go, nice easy video for you. If you found this video helpful, please go ahead, give me the thumbs up. Check out some of my more complicated videos on the car and subscribe to my channel.